Okay guys, so this is how you change the rear license plate. You basically push toward yourself and you pull out. This is a new LED you connect to plug that you already have, and here is how we will install. We have whole bumper here. Okay, it is in place. The way how you connect it is basically you put new plug in the old one and that's it.